Hi, welcome along. In today's video we're going way back to 1968, a big hit for Simon and Garfunkel, also from the Dustin Hoffman film The Graduate. This is called Mrs. Robinson. I'm sure you recognise it straight away. If you like today's video, please do me a massive favour. Like and subscribe for me. It helps me grow the channel, which helps me get to bring you more guitar-based 50s, 60s and 70s tutorials. Yeah, so in this video we're going to go through the great riff, the riff, and we're going to go through all the little bits, all the little licks. We're going to go through the chords, we're going to go through the strumming pattern, basically everything you need to play Mrs. Robinson. So go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so lesson 1, this is how we play the intro, the thing that really sets this song off, which is the... Let me show you how that's done. So really, really slowly, before we even start, I'm going to tell you we need to have the capo on the 2nd fret. That's the big first thing. Second thing for the lick, we're going to play an E chord, there we go, E major, there we go. And first off, we're going to strike the 6th string twice really quickly. Then we've got, we play the 5th string, and then we hammer on to the 2nd fret. Okay, so we've got, one more time. And then once we've landed on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, we play the 5th string one more time. So let's put all that together. Then we're going to play the 4th string open, the D string. And then we're going to play the 6th string open. And then we're going to play the D string again, but this time we're going to put our 3rd finger down just underneath our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then return back to the 6th string again. So what's happening here, we've got this little toing and froing between the 4th string, the D string, and the 6th string, the low E string, right? So it goes back and forth, yeah, between. So let's take you through that again. So quickly on the 6th string. Then we're going to hammer on the 2nd fret of the A. Then we're going to play the 5th string again. Then we're going to play the 4th string open. Then 6th string. Then we're going to put our 3rd finger down on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And then we return back to the open E string, the 6th string again. Right, so... Yeah, okay, one more time for you. And then we finish the rest of the phrase off with a little strum out. And then we come back to it, yeah? So it's just to fill the bar out. So we've got... Finish off the bar with a down, up strum. Okay, so again, just quickly one more time and then we'll move on. So twice on the open E, then we're gonna play the 5th string and hammer onto the 2nd fret. Then we're gonna play the 5th string again with our finger down. Then we're gonna play the open 4th string. Then we're gonna play the open 6th string. Then we're going to return to the D string again, the 4th string, but this time we're going to have our finger down on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then return back to the open E string again, and then strum up and down. So... Right, so I'd advise you to get that right really, really slowly first before you try and do the super speed of the actual record, which is... Anyway, that's the opening riff. So we're going to move on now to the strum pattern. So what we've got a sort of a bass. We hit the top bass strings, 1 or 2 strings, and then we're going to strike down and then down, up, down, up. So we've got bass, down, up, down, up, down, up, bass, down, up, down, up, down, up, bass, down, up, down, up, down, up, bass. Bass, down, up, down, up, down, up, bass. So we've got like a bass, down, down, up, down, up. So that's how that kind of strum pattern happens there. Right, chords. Let's go through some chords for you. So all the chords in this song, thankfully, are basic chords. So chorus-wise, we've got G. Here's to you, Mrs. E minor, Robinson. Then back to G. Heaven holds a E minor, place for those who see, pray, hey, hey, D, hey. God bless you. G, Mrs. E minor, Robinson. G, and then E minor, back to C. Then, hey, hey, A minor, and then we're going to go, hey, hey, and then back to the riff, hey. And then the first part of the verse that's coming is over that lick, so you already know how to do that, so that's quite handy. So the first part of the verse is the lick we've just shown you. So let's go back through the chorus again, just quickly. So we've got, here's to you, G, E minor, G, E minor, then to C, then to D, and then to G, then E minor, G, E minor, then to C, then A minor, and then to the riff. Oh, I missed it up. There we go. And then, so we got let's have a little look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 bars of that. The riff, which is the first part of the verse, which we're now doing. So we got hiding in a hiding place, we'll know wherever go. You could just strum through the E if you wanted to, if you didn't want to do the riff and sing at the same time. So let's just take that. Then we got A, put in the pantry with your cupcakes. D, G, C, step down, A minor. I'll show you the step down in a moment. And then E, and then to D, 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 and then to the chorus. Okay, so let's go through the verse again. So let's just suppose that you don't want to play the riff over the verse. The first part of the verse is 9 bars of E. You can strum out the E, or you can do the lick. Completely up to you. But let's just suppose, for the sake of ease, you just want to do strumming out on E. Let's call it that. So we've got 9 bars of E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, E. Right, so we've got 9 bars of that, and then we've got, it goes to A. Put it in your can, with your cupcakes. D, then to G, and then to C. Step down, I said I'd show you, here we go. So we've got the C, then we're gonna put our second finger up to the 2nd fret of the A string. So we've got, and then drop down for an A minor. So we got da 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 da. time, 2, 3, 4, da 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 da. And then we're going to go to E. Stroll around the ground and D, 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 and back to the chorus. Right, let me show you some licks. Oh yeah, let's show you some good licks. Loads of licks, well not loads, probably about 5 or 6 different licks in this song. Let me show you a couple of them though. So first off, we've got the, before we go, in the verse, before we go from the A to the D, so let's just pose them, we've got our E. We'd like to help you learn. So now we're in A. Like to help you learn to help yourself. Does that. And they're all hammer-ons and they're straight down in a line. We're going to play the A string open and we're going to, with our first finger, it's all with the first finger by the way, we're going to hammer down on the 2nd fret of the A. Then we're going to play the D string and we're going to hammer down on the 2nd fret. And then we're going to do the same thing for the G string, but by that time we're going to be ready for a D, okay, because that gives us our first finger for the D chord. So we've got like to help you learn to help yourself. So I'll do that again. Help you learn to help yourself. And then we're in for the D. Okay, so that's one. The other one is there's when you're doing an E, you can use your little finger to he bends up on the 3rd fret of the E string, the high E string, and then he does the same with the 3rd fret of the B string. So we've got right, let's have a little strum through. We're going to strum through the chorus and a verse and see how we get on. So here we go. So first off, G. Get your G ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So here's to you. This is E minor, G, and then E minor, then to C, then to D, and then to G, then E minor, G, and then E minor, then to C, then A minor, and then to the riff. Then we've got A. Right, here we go. E. Sitting in a hiding place where no one ever goes. To the I. Da 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 da. D, G, C, step, A minor. E. Da da ba ba da D D D D D. Chorus. It's G, then E minor. G, then to C, then to D, and then to G, then E minor, G, and then E minor, then to C, then A minor, then to E. So there we have it, Mrs. Robinson by Simon and Garfunkel. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below. Always great to hear from you. And if you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me. It does help me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials by helping me grow the channel. So until we meet again, take great care of yourselves, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.